हेलो किड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है साइट वर्ड्स। व्हाट इज साइट वर्ड्स? साइट वर्ड्स आर कॉमन वर्ड्स दैट schools expect kids to recognize instantly. Words like the, it and appear so often that beginning readers reach the point where they no longer need to try to sound out these words. They recognize them by sight. इसका मतलब है साइट वर्ड्स ऐसे कॉमन वर्ड्स होते हैं जिसमें किड्स को इनको देखते ही से पहचानना होता है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल द, ईट, एंड या फिर बहुत सारे दूसरे वर्ड्स जो बार बार यूज़ होते हैं, तो बच्चों को ये मेमोराइज़ करवाए जाते हैं ताकि बच्चे को इसके साउंड के बिना ही जैसे ही वो देखे बाय साइट इनको याद कर ले और रीड कर ले। इससे बच्चे की जो रीडिंग स्किल है वो इम्प्रूव होती है और जो इसकी इंग्लिश है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लुएंट होती है। तो साइट वर्ड्स ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिन्हें देखते ही से पढ़ा जाए।
First 150 side words. A double L, all. An, Any, any. And, and. About, about. After, after. Again, again. Are, at. As. Be, been. Before, I. Like. My. See. Can. The. Go. To. We. You. Look. Big. Big. Is. With. For. He. She. Little. Have. Here. Play. Said. Put. Come. Day. This. Help. In. Me. On. Up. DOWN, down, down. AWAY, away, away. JUMP, jump, jump. OF, off, off. WHERE, where, where. DO, do, do. IT, eat, eat. WENT, went, went. OR, odd, odd. HAD, head, head. BUT, but, but. NOW, now, now. WALK, walk, walk. HOW, how. SO, so. INTO, into. VERY, very, very. NO, no. HIS, his. HER, her. HAS, has. BY, by. WAY, way. HIM, him. WILL, will. DAY, day. MAY, may. WANT, want. THAT, that. NOT, not. CAME, cam. ONE, one. TWO, two. MAKE, make. WAS, was. GET, get. OUT, out. OTHER, other. WOULD, would. WHO, who. WRITE, right. FROM, from. WHAT, what. FIND, fine. MANY, many. OLD, old. FIRST, first. THESE, this. USE, use. YOUR, your. CALLED, called. ASSS, WATER, water. WORDS, words. NUMBER, number. MORE, more. SOME, Some. WERE, where. LONG, long. TIME, time. THERE, dare. EACH, each. WHEN, when. COULD, could. WHY, why. BECAUSE, because. PART, part. THEIR, dare. JUST, just. KNOW, no. MUCH, much. WHICH, which. EAT, eat. TAKE, take. WORK, work. THREE, three. THEM, them. DID, did. ONCE, once. ONLY, only. THINK, think. THING, thing. HOUSE, house. ASK, ask. ALSO, also. ANOTHER, another. Thank you for watching. You like this video and share with family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye.